Hello and welcome back to our channel. The journey of your favorite hamburger begins long before it hits the grill. It all starts here, in vast fields of golden wheat and on dedicated farms where high-quality cattle are raised. Only the finest raw materials are chosen, forming the foundation of the taste we all know and love. This careful selection is the first critical step in a massive production chain.
Milk from certified suppliers is transformed into cheese. Automatic presses and nibs form perfect square slices of cheddar cheese for hamburgers.
Once the prime cuts of beef arrive at the factory, they enter a state-of-the-art processing facility. Here, the meat is meticulously ground to the perfect consistency, a crucial step for a juicy texture. A carefully guarded blend of seasonings is mixed in to create that unique, savory flavor. Strict hygiene and temperature controls are maintained at every moment to guarantee safety and world-class quality.
A conveyor belt with meat passes under a scanner, which determines the exact ratio of fat and protein.
The minced meat enters an automatic mixer, where it is only slightly mixed to preserve the texture. No unnecessary additives.
The seasoned ground beef is then fed into massive, automated forming machines. With incredible speed and precision, these machines press the meat into perfectly uniform patties. Each patty is identical in weight and shape, ensuring consistent cooking every single time. Immediately after, they are flash frozen in seconds, a process that locks in all the freshness and flavor. Meanwhile, in a separate industrial bakery, another key component is coming to life. Huge mixers combine flour, water, and yeast to create tons of dough for the soft burger buns. After rising, the dough is shaped and sent through massive tunnel ovens, baking to a perfect golden brown. Finally, the fluffy buns are sliced and packaged, ready to meet their patty counterparts.
Lettuce leaves pass through a centrifuge to remove excess moisture and are packaged in modified atmosphere bags to preserve freshness.
With the patties frozen and the buns packaged, the next stage is a masterpiece of modern logistics. This is the cold chain, a network of refrigerated trucks and warehouses operating around the clock. These climate-controlled vehicles transport the components across hundreds, or even thousands, of miles. This intricate system ensures that every restaurant receives its supplies fresh and on schedule.
Then the same or another robot adds packages of hamburger buns to the order, stacks of cheese, bags of sliced vegetables, and cartridges of sauces.
The final transformation happens in the fast-paced kitchen of your local restaurant. Here, the frozen patties are grilled to perfection, releasing that irresistible aroma as they sizzle. The components finally come together. A hot patty, a toasted bun, and fresh toppings, all assembled in a matter of seconds. And that's how a global favorite makes its way from the farm to your tray. The grill itself determines the cooking time, flips the round hamburger patty, and controls the temperature.
Automatic hamburger assembly begins. The bottom half of the bun moves along a small conveyor belt.
Immediately onto the hot hamburger patty, which is resting on the bottom half of the hamburger bun, a slice of cheese is placed, which begins to melt slightly.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look behind the scenes, please subscribe and give this video a like.